stop. Go backwards. No, don't put your foot down. You're gonna hurt your foot if you do that. Go forward. Now stop. Put your foot backwards like this. That'll stop you, okay? Try it again. Go forward. Now look. You see how you stop? Try it again.
Can I go?
You wanna go fast? Yep, let's go.
Welcome to my life as I live it. I'm Army Princess, the mother, wife, and soldier, and I want to share this journey with you. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss a moment of it. Good morning, guys. So it is a very drab and dreary day on the Wilson's moving day. That's very deceiving. Makes it look like the sun is shining, but it's really gray outside. This is Giselle's room. We took stuff down off the walls, but still a lot more to do. It is about 8:15 right now. The movers will be here they said between 8 and 9. So I am going to take y'all along with me for Wilson moving day. I'm so tired, y'all. Like, I didn't get very much sleep last night. It was a rough night for me. We stayed up late, taking stuff down, unpacking. It's just been crazy, but we gonna get through it. We gonna get through it. The moving truck is here. The moving truck, oops, is here. Look at this room. Oh my goodness. It's a mess in here, y'all. I'm gonna just walk you out the room to upstairs. We got stuff here. This was Giselle's play area. The walls are bare. Just look at my makeup area. Took stuff down off the walls. This little area. Oh my goodness.
It's packing there, dude. Oh, that's all good. What's up? Oh, yeah, I was just checking on you, see what was up with you. What's happening? Hold on, I gotta send this person to me for
Our little house just being all packed up. So it's about, what time is it? 9:30. Trying to do the last little bit of washing before they take the washers and dryers. Yeah, I'm tired. And I know this little vlog is probably looking real rough, but I'm so sleepy. I could fall asleep right now. Still got a lot to do. But we just really just packing. We're really just still doing a last little bit of packing, taking stuff down, separating stuff. We got a whole room. I'll show y'all the room of where we put stuff that's not gonna be packed. And I still got homework to do. I'm having technical difficulty here trying to close my softbox light. So I've given up. Ouch. And then this is the stand that I want to collapse.
call you back and see what I'm gonna call for a door in the office too.
Oops.
Yes.
I can't get it closed, so I'll just say forget it. I'm not.
They can probably pack it up in the big box like that.
Yeah.
Leave it open.
Then if it break, I just get a new.
I'm telling you, I don't borrow problems.
So what they say about transportation?
They still
Trying to come tomorrow?
Yeah, they still trying to come tomorrow. So let me go ahead and actually do it, man. I have my transportation folders downstairs. So I'm gonna call them from downstairs.
I forgot it's still on. I'm so sleepy. I gotta lay down. I can't even do nothing. I need to start on my papers, but I'm just too tired.
Why don't you take a nap? They're not packing the guest room. You can lay down in there.
I don't have to lay down because I can't even function. How you feeling?
A little bit better. I feel tired a little bit, but not as bad as before.
You had the coffee.
I just had the hot Thai, some tea.
Don't they make you sleepy?
Maybe I was falling asleep, but it helps my throat.
We got cough drops.
Oh, you know what? I should.
Who drinks a hot toddy because they throat sore? We got cough drops.
Don't judge me.
I'm about to lay down. Like, you just know how you just be so tired. You can't even, your eyes just got the tired in the back of your eyes and you can't function. Our poor little house. It is about 12 o'clock. We just had lunch. Like, we just worked hard. I just woke up from a nap. But they are moving pretty quickly, as y'all can see. It's only noon, and so we look like we over halfway done. Look at our house, guys. Everything is packed up. So packed up.
Yeah.
Put a little sticker on it.
Nope, not that I see.
On what?
The washer and dryer. I don't think so. Oh, these the inventory sheet?
Yeah.
You look. Oh, hold on. There might be one on the wash. I look. I'm looking for the bright color thing. Oh yeah, no, I ain't got no.
Look at my. See, like all my perfume and stuff.
That's the washer, yep. Yeah. So we'll do. I mean, they obviously can't pack it, so they'll leave it here, and we'll do a walkthrough on Friday and pack it all in the container and take it to the hotel.
Okay.
You do that for the year. You can't move it. The buttons,
Look at my baby girl.
The buttons gonna come back and be upset. All that stuff packed up. You know what Buttons need in a new house? She need blackout curtains. Buttons be awake. Don't want to take a nap. This one does.
What is this, like a little bookshelf or something?
Yeah. A toy shelf, I guess.
You did everything.
Oh, there's a sticker here, unless you put it on.
Where?
Right here, and one on the chair. But I don't see it on this. It's on this side.
Okay.
I like this style. We gotta make sure I do your survey. Our last move was.
Remember the lady had to sit down? She told me my back hurt. She just got there.
After like an hour. She said my back hurt. I need to sit down. And there was only 2 ladies.
Oh yeah, they brought 2 for the whole day.
Yes, it was one of 2. She said my back hurt. I need to sit down. I said this is gonna be a long day.
Wow.
Cause we have more stuff, I think,
Yeah.
than this. We have more stuff than this. We got rid of.
Because this
stuff.
house is smaller.
And you say he did that stuff right there, didn't you?
Yeah, you good.
Okay.
That joint was funny though. She said my back hurt. I said, babe, I'm gonna go to the post office.
You gonna go now?
You see her working? She ready to go.
It's Rapsies for today, y'all. So they have packed up our house and they are gone for today. Today is day 1. I'm going to show y'all my room. They took my bed apart. It's just boxes and boxes and boxes. And I know I look half crazy up in here. Half crazy. Look at our closet. Our closet. So this was our, I never showed y'all our closet. It's kind of big. This was our walk-in closet. All my shoes over here. Walk-in closet. But it's empty now. But yeah, I have to go. We gotta go to the, you talking to me? Oh, he on the phone. His shoes got packed up. It ain't funny, but it's funny.
Don't do it like that.
They packed their shoes up because
I ain't got no shoes.
Separator. I'm trying to comb my hair. Because we about to get ready to go to the post office.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Where are you, Dad? Your turn to count. But wait, don't. You're not gonna count me. This time, don't count yet.
Hey, girl.
Can we play hide and seek now?
Giselle got me playing hide and seek. It's nighttime with boxes. You little squiggly wiggly. Go ahead. You go hide and I'll count and I'll come find you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I come in now? Where is she, guys? Oh, she's not in here. Is she back here? She's not back here. Where could she be? Maybe she's in the bathroom. Is she in the bathroom? No, she's not in the bathroom. Is she back here behind the bed? No. No. She behind the dresser? Is she over here? She was under the table. She's shaking the table.
Now I hide and you.
Wait. I want you to come talk to the people and tell them about your house with all the boxes.
Hi. Today we're going to, after our nap, we're going to hotel. And so first we're going to the doctor, and then we're going to hotel.
Tomorrow we're going to the dentist, not the doctor. And on Friday we're going to the hotel. What about when you came home and you saw all the boxes? When Giselle came home, she saw all the boxes. She was so excited. So excited. And what did you think when you saw all those boxes? What did you say?
I said, it's a body.
Too much energy. Okay, we got to get rushed up. Let's get washed up. Go use the bathroom.
When I won a second chance, I put it to school with the same
You done? Oh, now you want to check the mail after you done danced the whole way.